And then we will test the motors. Once again, we will put our fingers, 2 fingers in the top right. We'll enter our password. We'll hit confirm. And instead of going to equipment configuration, we'll go to slot management. You can change the aisle count like this. So if you had 5 products in it, you could choose that aisle, change it to 5, and hit submit. You could also do that on the software. Note, you cannot change the products on the screen. That can only be done on the software, but you can change the counts. This number is the existing count. If you have 5 and you want 7, you don't type in 2, you type in 7. That's the existing count. Now, if I want to test a motor like aisle 14, I could hit this debug button. And as I hit it, watch what happens.
Delivering, please wait. Completed. Please take your items.
And you heard it say, please take your items. The reason for that is because there is an infrared sensor. When a product is dispensed, the sensor detects that it was dispensed. In the event there was a transaction and the product got jammed or it didn't dispense, the infrared sensor would not detect it. In which case, it would automatically cancel the transaction and your customer wouldn't be charged. When I was talking about the software and I said, do you want to disable the aisle in the event of a failed delivery? That's what I mean. In the event a sensor does not detect your product, it will automatically disable the aisle so customers don't try again. So if I were to test this again without a product, watch what happens.
Delivering, please wait. Device in fault. Please contact administrator.
It gives you a contact administrator code, different than please take your product. That's an example of the sensor working. We just tested the sensor that way. We also tested the motor that way. After loading a couple products, you don't have to load them all, but test every motor twice. To do that, here's a quick little cheat. We install the button here that just says debug. Instead of each individual one, just go ahead and click this. Watch what happens.
Delivering, please wait. Device in delivering, please wait. Completed. Delivering, please wait.
It'll run every single aisle,
Please take
okay?
delivering, please wait.
You can make sure that they're all spinning 360 degrees. Do it twice.
Delivering, please wait.
If you see the screen display this,
Delivering, please wait.
the optical eye fault just refers to the sensor. In which case, if a product drops, it'll say normal. If it doesn't detect a product, it just says optical eye fault. You can see here, I got my hand up by the sensor. It'll say that it's normal.
Delivering, please wait. Completed.
Makes it go a little faster. But the reason we're doing this has nothing to do with this.
Delivering, please wait.
I'm just making sure that these coils are spinning 360 degrees. We've already tested the sensor once. That's sufficient. If it detects the product, it'll say delivered. If it doesn't, it'll say contact administrator. If you just test one aisle for that, it'll be good.